What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Carly here. We are local realtors here in the Dallas area. And guys, we are bringing you to this brand new, ready to go, new construction home here in the city of Celina. We are actually like in the east side of Celina right now. Actually, it's kind of like bordering the western small town here east of Celina. So guys, we're gonna be shooting the inside, showing you the floor plan of this Marigold by Megatel Homes. So I hope that you enjoy it. And but yeah, if you are brand new to our channel, welcome. Our information is going to be right up here. So if you are looking into relocating from out of state, or maybe you're here in the Dallas area and looking into maybe upgrading, downgrading, or something, we would love to connect with you and answer any questions that you may have about the area, about this community in particular, or this floor plan that you're about to walk into. So we would love to answer those questions. You can text us and call us if you want to shoot us over some questions. So also make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week.
So this particular floor plan called the Marigold is very functional. It's got, you have a little bit over 2,600 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Now, one thing that I love about it is it's got a very nice large kitchen. So it kind of wraps around a little bit, but you do have a lot of space, and then it's all open, so it's perfect for entertaining. Also, another thing that I love about this floor plan is the fact that you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs and you have 2 bathrooms upstairs.
One of them is an ensuite?
It is an ensuite. So if you've got multiple kiddos, they don't all have to fight about 1 bathroom. You've got 2 bathrooms upstairs, which is great.
Right, yeah. So yeah, let's take you inside this floor plan by Megatel Homes, and and then we'll see you at the end. Let us know what was your favorite part about this one. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is the Marigold floor plan by Megatel Homes. I hope that you enjoyed it and liked it. Leave a comment again. Let us know what was your favorite part about it. Me, I love coming into the house. I love that front porch area. I'm a coffee drinker, so I just love to be outside, maybe just sitting down, relaxing with a cup of coffee. That's my style, so yeah.
So one of the great things about this home that we didn't mention before is the price. So this is an inventory home. It is ready to go. So the price, they've just dropped the price to $499, which is great for the square footage that you're getting. This is a Lagoon Community.
Lagoon Community. So if you've done your research and came across Prosper, Lagoon Community, Windsong Ranch, this is something similar, but with more amenities. Right, they're building a bowling alley in here, restaurants, arcades. So there's going to be tons of things to do in here.
Yeah, so you definitely can't beat the price at $499 for 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. I mean, it's great. Also, you don't back up to anybody on this particular house.
Yeah. So, and you are in McKinney ISD. Keep that in mind as well in this community. Guys, so if you're looking to this North Dallas area, now is the time to get in here. These houses are going to sell quickly, right?
Yes.
They always do. This whole North Dallas area is booming. A lot of businesses coming in here. Obviously, so close to Frisco and McKinney and Allen, Plano, and all that area, which is booming with companies moving and relocating here into this North Dallas area. So great opportunity to keep in mind about your value, right? Everybody wants to make sure that their investment is pretty much secured long-term, and this is a spot to be in right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
So give us a call if you have any questions. Hopefully this house isn't gone by the time you guys give us a call. So don't hesitate. You can reach out to us and we are happy to negotiate on your behalf.
That's right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time.